Well, there's Big Pill. Oh yeah, that lipstick. Look at him. He likes those peanut balls. He does. He's all decked out this morning. And he's getting ready. Let's see what he's going to do. He's digesting. He's coming back for more. There he goes, hammering away. All right, buddy. Good to see you as always. You be safe. Oh, who do we got over here? Wait a minute. Oh, we got some... He's got an audience. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, girls. All right. The pill's still there. A little sampling of the morning wildlife in the yard.